In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add properties to a page in Notion. If you are using Notion databases to organize projects, tasks, or content, properties are what turn a simple page into structured, sortable data. They let you add fields like status, assignees, dates, and numbers right at the top of a page. So everything you need is consistent and easy to track across your database. Start by opening any page within a database. This could be a task in a task tracker, a blog post in a content calendar, or an item in an inventory list. You'll know you are in a database page if you see a section under the page title with existing fields like status or tags. That header area is where your properties live, and it's what makes this page part of a database rather than just a standalone note. If you are inside a database, you are ready to add more structure. Next, look at the top of the page, just below the title, and click the button that says plus add a property. It sits alongside any existing properties and is designed to be quick and obvious, so you can add fields without digging through menus. When you click it, Notion will open a small panel where you can set up exactly what kind of information you want to capture. This keeps your workflow smooth because you can add structure while staying on the same page you are editing. Now, give your new property a clear descriptive name and choose the type that matches the information you plan to store. If you want a controlled list of options like draft, in progress, and published, choose select. This keeps entries consistent and easy to filter. To assign a page to someone on your team, choose person, which links directly to a workspace member. For scheduling or tracking timelines, pick date. It supports both single dates and date ranges. And if you need counts, budgets, or any kind of measurable value, choose number. Aim for concise names like priority, owner, due date, or estimate, so your database stays readable at a glance. You can always rename a property later, and changing the type is possible too if your needs evolve. Though keeping types consistent across entries helps maintain clean data. After naming and picking the type, your property is immediately available on the page, and it will appear across the entire database for every entry, giving you a standardized field you can sort, filter, and visualize. That's all there is to it. Open a database page, add a property, then name it and pick the right type. With just these steps, your pages become more organized and more useful. Thanks for watching.